Welcome to another clip on my YouTube channel. That's a certificate maybe I will not forget for a long time. 37,000 from a prop firm which called Funded Next. Yeah, and I mean, wow, $37,000. If you start with trading, we all think and dream about these numbers, and so I made that type of money. So the last 6 months I made that money completely, $37,000. I made it with prop, and this time I just took it with one payout. With one payout I did $37,000. So I made the last 6 months over $80,000 just with trading prop firms. And if I can do it, you can do it also. So this, I hope, will be a motivational video for you. Yeah, let's get into it. Just to show you and be transparent to you that I really get the money. So this was the money I was getting from the Funded Next. I mean, it's like not big numbers, but after that, like getting these type of numbers on my bank account, it's just really great. So I know that I'm always getting better in trading. If you're looking at the last 5 months, I also did some big payouts on FTMO and now on Funded Next, and my live account is also growing. What I'm not trying to flex to you, I'm just showing you what is possible. And if you trade, like, you're also looking for that type of grow and type of like payouts, big payouts of that, like you're dreaming or you always thinking about that. So, and with this clip I try to show you like it will happen. You will also get this type of payouts or that growth if you like do it right, the right way. If you trade right with nice or strong, let's say strong psychology, you will also get the type of money. So the Funded Next have a timer. If you do the payout request, so the timer will start, and after like my first payout, it was like for 1 month, I was like getting just after just 3 hours the money. And this time after 12 hours, because I did the request in the middle of the night, so immediately I was thinking like 37,000 was 37,000. I have to do it immediately. I want the money so fast because I want the money. I say, okay, wow, 37,000, I need the money, and I did it immediately. It was middle of the night, and after just 13 hours I had it on my real bank account for big prop to Funded Next. I mean, Funded Next I think is one of the best prop firms, because I mean not every prop firm will give you that money. So you know they will always find a way to not give you that money. And Funded Next just after 13 hours gave you that money. I mean, that's just show you how transparent they are. They show you how big they are. I mean, they have now so many traders, they're always growing, and that's another sign that they are really on a good way. Yeah, let's get into the analysis, which trades I took and which pairs. And yeah, on my last clip I showed you this trade. It was like this one. So I showed you this trade. I lost everything. I lost 400k account on FTMO max allocation. I lost it because I was sure after we tapped into that the amounts on that we will go higher. And what happened then, this was my confirmation to 90% after we took that double bottom that we will go higher. That's why I traded this strategy with 4 of my 5 accounts. So I traded on live account, I traded on my Funded Next, and on my 2 FTMO accounts. I just bought it like phase 1, 400k, Funded Next 200k, and my live account I traded this strategy. So my stop loss was here, protecting that low, because I made a mistake. So I was not crying, but I was like, I was really sad, and I was thinking like, I'm not doing the same mistake again. I did so many mistakes again and again and again, but I say this time I will protect it low. I don't care, and if it's just a 1 to 5, I will take it and take profit on a funded next. So, and here is my re-entry, max allocation back, and in euro 31,000 euro payout. Yeah, there was my first trade. That was on gold, and I had a trade on euro USD. I show you that also. There was my second entry for my big payout. So I was looking for this demand zone, and I was here. We had a higher high and lower low, so the market grabbed some liquidity and tapped into that demand zone. It was like a nice confirmation for me. Second confirmation, I was looking for a close. So you can see the market open it here, and it didn't close above. It was coming down. Second time it was trying to close above. It couldn't. So third time, just a little close, and immediately a fake out, and it did a lower low and tapped into the, you can call it accumulation, you can call it support resistance, you can call it supply and demand, whatever. And then it was closing above, and this time I was not looking for something like that and looking for 1 to 20 or whatever. So I did that mistake, so I will not do it again. So that's why I say, okay, I will go in here and to my stop loss below that low. So I will protect that low that tapped into the demand zone with doing some nice lower low. So we grabbed some liquidity, and then I was looking for this high. After that, it was going higher. Here was a nice supply zone. It was a nice supply zone. So let's mark that red, and broke that supply zone, and then I was looking for that retest, and I was also looking for that higher high. I added some lots into this move, and I reached my 9 risk to reward. So now you can calculate, I made 21 risk to reward, and I made 21%, so I risked 1% every trade. Yeah, that's it. With 1% risk per trade, you can reach in 3 weeks 20% if you follow your plan, if you strong in psychology. And to be strong in psychology, you have to do it firstly in your real life. So be disciplined. If you set goals in real life, like gym, soccer, so this thing I do, then you can put that discipline and psychology in your trading. But if your life is a chaos and you don't even know what you're doing, then you will not doing, even if you got a nice strategy, you will not reach your target. You take profit, you will also lose on trading. So let's fix your life, and then you start and transfer it into your trading lifestyle, trading whatever. And then you will reach everything. You can reach everything. I did it. I reached it. So why you can do it? Look at me. My English is really bad, man, and I can even talk in English. So I think you way better than me. So if I can trade, why you can't do it, man? Do some more. Do more. If you want it really bad, and then do more. And I know trading is really difficult. Sometimes if you do even more, you will be worse. I mean, if you trade more, you will lose more. Yes, but you have to do some. I mean, I know don't make sense in trading, but let's fix the shit, man. Let's fix the shit.